Let's say you are creating a form like this, and the action attribute has the value which is content.html. This means when the user will submit the form, the data will be sent to this page for processing. And let's say it has a paragraph tag with the text which is username. Then we have an input box with the type text. If I save the file, you can see the text username, and there is a text box where user can write his name. Now if you want that around your form there should be a border or a box, you can add that using the fieldset tag. So before the opening form tag, I'm gonna write the opening fieldset tag. Then after the closing form tag, I'm gonna write the closing fieldset tag. If I save the file, you can see around our form there is a border or a box which looks nice, and we can add a legend tags to this field set. So for that we are gonna use the legend tag. So after the opening field set tag, I'm gonna write the opening legend tag, and in between the opening and closing legend tag, I'm gonna write sign up form. Save the file. You can see that in the border it has a text which is sign up form, which looks very beautiful because it has some empty space in the border and the text is located in that space. Now if you want that when user clicks on this username text, this box should be in focus. The user doesn't have to click on the box and start writing. If he clicks on the text, the box should be focused and he should able to start right away. For that we can delete the paragraph tag. Instead of this paragraph tag, we are gonna write the label tag. So opening label before the username text, and after the username text I'm gonna write the closing label. I'm gonna give an ID to this input box. So I'm gonna write the ID attribute, and the ID would be user name. Then in the label tag I'm gonna write the for attribute, and here I'm gonna write the text which is the ID of our text box. If I give the ID of our text box here as a value and save the file, look what happens. When I click on the username text, the text box gets focused and I can start writing right away. Let me add a break tag for a new line. Let me add another break tag. Then I'm gonna write the label tag again, and here in the for attribute I'm gonna give the value which is user password, and in between the opening and closing label tag I'm gonna write password colon, or let's say just password. And after the label tag I'm gonna write the input tag, and the type would be password, and here I have to give an ID, and the ID should match this for attributes value. So I'm gonna copy this and paste this here. Save the file. Now if user clicks on the password text, the password box gets focused, and if the user clicks on the username text, the username text box gets focused. If user clicks on the password text, the password box gets focused. If user clicks on the username text, the username text box gets focused. So this is how we can make our forms better. With the field set tag we can add border around our form. With the legend tag we can add a title to our form in the field set border, and with the label tag we can focus text boxes or input fields clicking on another content on the page.